Do you want to get robo powers to be able to read PDFs, websites, or even YouTube videos in seconds instead of hours? Then watch this video until the end. To get the robo powers, let's head over to chatpdf.com. I'm going to create an account, and here's where the magic happens. You can upload the file. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to upload the PDF. As soon as I do that, right? This is 7-page PDF, and you can already see here I've got an option to summarize this paper, and within seconds you'll get the summary of this entire PDF. Not just that, I can quickly ask it, give me a 5-point picture of what's there in the PDF, and you can see here, certainly here's a 5-point summary of the key content in the PDF. Understanding global warming and greenhouse effect, causes of global warming, environmental and social effects, solutions and mitigation strategies, urgency and call for action. Okay, what's the top cause of global warming? Not just that, it will also point out to the section where it has got this data from. Okay, you can see here when I click on this is the section it has answered from. If I click on this one, it will take us to the section. So you can see here, it is from this section and this one over here, right? So you can keep asking any questions from the PDF and it will give you the results and also tell you where has it got the results from, right? Right now what we are using is called fast, but you also have quality, which means it will not be as quick as it is right now, but it will understand the entire thing in detail and give you answers after thinking. This is more like deep thinking option that we have in ChatGPT and other platforms, right? So this costs you monthly $329 per month or $197 per month if you are paying it on a yearly basis. This is less than $5 a month, by the way, right? You can see here unlimited PDFs, unlimited questions, 2000 pages per PDF, 50 PDFs per folder, high quality model. Okay, so I'm going to ignore it for now. You can also create flashcards or PowerPoints from here, which we will look at in a while. Not just that, you also have prompt library here, okay, where you can actually create your own prompts. If you're using something very regularly, like summarize the PDF or get 5 points from this PDF and so on and so forth, you can create your own prompts. Let's say, for example, give me a 5-point summary from the PDF. I click on save prompt. Now, whenever I go to this particular option, it will give me this. So I can just click on this and ask it, right? So it will give me those 5 points. You can have a detailed prompt as well in that particular saved prompt. Now let's go back to new. Okay, and instead of giving a file, let's try it with chat. Okay, where we can add links of YouTube videos or even websites. Now this is a video from our own channel, and as soon as I entered the link, it understood that it's a YouTube video, which is obvious, but it's now loading the video and getting the transcript of the entire video. Okay, so you can see here, this is a, have you noticed, 5-minute video, and if we go here, transcript, it has transcribed the entire video within seconds. Now I can ask summarize this video, right? And along with the summary, it actually gives us points where it has fetched few details from. So for example, here you can see for free in India due to the country's vast online user base and diverse languages. So if I click on this, 900 million online users, making it one of the largest online user base. Yeah. And when I click on 1.42, it's language diversity. India has dozens of major languages and count. Right, so it's not just giving a summary, but if we want to understand more in detail of what exactly was mentioned in that particular video, okay, we can click on that particular part. Something else happens. Habits form when it, right? So that's the amazing part. Let's move on and understand what are the other options available in this particular platform. Let's go to AI Writer. So I'll not go there now. If this doesn't work, directly take me to AI Writer. Let me ask, what's the city for this video? And it says the call to action for this video is for the viewers to share their thoughts in the comment section. The creator asks viewer if they think it's genuine effort to make AI accessible or a long-term strategy to shape behavior and gather insights. Okay, and as you can see, you can just click on this particular point. The question: is it a genuine effort to make AI more accessible, or is it a long-term strategy to shape behavior, gather insights, and dominate one of the world's largest digital markets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And let's move on to the next section, which is AI Writer. As with many of the platforms, you can write on this platform as well. You have two options. One is create document with AI or import Word file. Okay, so if I click on create document with AI, I can give the prompt over here. And let's give a simple prompt: write a detailed report on how AI is shaping the future. Now you can choose the language. There are many languages to choose from. Let's go with English. And we can also choose number of words. Okay, we have 500, 750 and 1000 words in the free plan, and anything above needs a paid plan, right? So let's go with 750 and click on next. Now it'll ask you whether you want this particular document to be written using 200 million plus research papers that they have, okay, they have access to, or you also want your uploaded files to be included, right? Now, any of the files that I've uploaded so far does not have anything to do with what I've asked it to write, so I'll not enable this. Let's go ahead and generate the document. And you can see that it generates within seconds, right? So how artificial intelligence is shaping the future. Introduction: expanding applications of AI across sectors, the potential benefits of widespread AI adoption, ethical, economic, and social challenges, shaping a responsible AI future, right? And finally, the conclusion. It actually writes a detailed article, right? And once it finishes writing, you can select any particular statement, okay, if you want to make any changes. And you, of course, have the bold, italic, and strike through and all of those options, but you also have AI actions. And when you click on that, you can rewrite it, simplify it, make longer, translate, and so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, we click on rewrite. So this particular section that we selected will be rewritten, right? Not just that. If you go to the end of any paragraph and wait for a few seconds, you can see here it has added a few more lines. If you want, you can accept it, or you can also go ahead with try again, right? So it will try again to enhance this particular paragraph. So you can see that over here, right? You can do this for any of the sentences. So for example, if you go here and select this particular thing, okay, you have AI actions and you can say simplify. So it will make it shorter and maybe better, right? So you can give this a try and let us know in the comments what do you think about these options. Of course, you can download this. You can create new document. You can insert images. You can also add the sources. Okay, for example, we had not selected this particular file, but you can select this and it'll consume that content as well while writing this article or enhancing this further. Now let's go back to AI Writer again. We can go here, import the Word file, click on this, and the entire content will be shown over here, right? As is. This will not have any change. So if we go to the Word document, so you can see here, this is the Word document that we have, okay? Along with the images and everything will be copied as is, okay, over here. Now, what is the point? The point is you can select any particular text and you can take any AI actions that you want. Rewrite, simplify, make longer, or translate, right? So that's the point of importing it over here and doing any further changes that is needed. Now you also have YouTube chat, basically where you can paste the URL of YouTube videos and then you can chat with that particular option. So you can see here what is YouTube chat. YouTube chat lets you have conversations with any YouTube video, ask questions and get answers with exact timestamps pointing to relevant moments in the video, which we already saw a while ago, right? You can also do some research topics here. So we can check here, are fish in aquaculture healthy? Number of species going extinct, right? So let's quickly check this one. Okay, it'll fetch all the relevant information and then it will give you key points based on 5 abstracts. Fish health in aquaculture is a multifaceted issue influenced by environmental, nutritional, and disease management factors. The current literature suggests that while challenges exist, advancements in aquaculture practices can enhance fish well-being and overall health outcomes. Okay, and it has given us some pointers to refer as well. So for example, this is coming from the first one, this is from here, and this is from the other article, and this is from the fourth article, right? So that's what research is about. I think it is very limited in that sense. We have done a couple of videos which is meant for research. So if you have still not watched it, please go ahead and watch those videos, right? We also have Windows app and mobile app. So you can go ahead and explore that. Now we have a couple of other options. Let me go to new. And if you go to flashcards, here you can drop in the file. For example, whatever we did just now, global warming. If I use that, then it will create flashcards based on the content available from the PDF. Or I could also give the YouTube link as well, right? So it asks you whether you want to create few, which is 10, create normal, which is 20 to 40, create many, which is 50 plus. Let me go with 10 for now. Click on create flashcards. And there you go. It's getting ready. Okay, what is global warming? If you know the answer, you could already answer. If you don't know, you can check it from here. What is the greenhouse effect? Check answer here, right? So we asked it to create 10 and it has created 10. Questions will come here. Answers are available over here. Okay, this is just for your practice. So you can click on start practice and actually do the practice. Name the primary greenhouse gases. Okay, so you answer it and then click on show answers, go to the next one and so on and so forth. Okay, let's go to new one again. And finally we have slides. Okay, we could use the YouTube video. So for example, or we can also use a website for that matter. So let's say abcdf7.com. Right, this is where you can join our community. If you have still not joined, please go ahead and join it. And give this, customize your presentation. So we have some customizations of option available. Okay, so this is all the things from the website it has extracted. Okay, and I can give some prompt here to customize the presentation, or I can just click generate slides. And based on all the contents that it has fetched from the website, it will generate this particular slide. I'd say the design is pretty good, not amazing, but it is okay, right? And of course, you have the option to edit the slide with AI. You can change the image and so on and so forth. You can, of course, delete the slide and you can also add the slide from here. I hope you agree with me that a platform like this can save you hours together per week. Because instead of reading that entire PDF of 50 or 100 or even 500 pages, you could just use a tool like this to get a summary of what exactly is there in the PDF, and you can also converse it with the PDF. Now, if you think this was helpful, please share it with your friends, family, and colleagues, because we all use PDFs every time. Now, if we all can save some time by using platforms like this, then we could probably enjoy those time with our loved ones or maybe create something more valuable. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.